everyone, welcome to Pabbly. So in this video we are going to learn how to build an AI assistant for handicraft and decorative business. So if you're also running a handicraft and decorative business, then this video is definitely for you. So as a handicraft and decorative business owner, I receive a lot of queries from my customer regarding the products, handmade pieces and pricings. So in this video I am going to build an AI agent WhatsApp chatbot that will answer my customer queries in my absence and going to provide them product details on the basis of the knowledge base I have provided to it. So firstly, in this video I am going to build an AI agent using Pabbly Chatflow. Now if a user will send a message, an automatic reply will be sent to them. So if you also want to enhance your customer's experience, then let's dive into my screen for creating your own WhatsApp chatbot using AI agent. Welcome to my screen. So in today's video I will show you how you can create your own AI assistant for handicraft and decorative business. So here you can see this is the AI assistant I have created for myself, and now I am going to guide you how you can create your own AI assistant for your business. So you might be thinking, what is my purpose for creating this AI assistant? So as an handicraft and decorative business owner, I provide authentic homemade pieces to my customer, but I receive a lot of queries from my customer regarding my business. So in this video I am going to design a chatbot or the AI agent that will answer my customer queries in my absence and provide product details on the basis of the knowledge base, which is a document which consists of my business details, and I have provided this knowledge base to my AI agent, and this AI agent is going to fetch the data from that knowledge base and provide details to my customers. So let's start creating our own AI assistant, but firstly I am going to show you how this AI assistant is exactly working. For that, let's dive into my WhatsApp with me. Here you can see I have already opened my WhatsApp, and now I am going to send a message to the number which I have already connected to my Pabbly Chatflow account. Now let's say my users enter a message that is, hey, I need help. So here you can see I have entered this message that is, hey, I need help, and now let's wait and check how our AI agent is going to respond to our customers after they enter this message. So here you can see we have got this message from our AI assistant that is, of course I am here to help. What do you need assistance with today? So here I am going to ask another questions from my AI assistant and check whether it's responding on the basis of the knowledge base I have provided to it or not. So now let's enter another questions and see how this is working. Here I am going to provide another question to my AI agent that is, what products you provide. And here as I have entered this question that is, what products you provide, I am getting this response from my AI agent. Now let's ask another question from our AI agent and check whether it's responding or not. Here I have entered this another question that is, what materials do you use for making this? And here my AI assistant is responding to me with some of the materials my business use for handcrafted products. Now let's ask another questions from our AI assistant over here. And here I have entered this another question asking for the pricing of the products, and my AI assistant is responding to me. Now let's ask one more questions from our AI assistant. Here as I have entered this another question asking for the please provide delivery and shipping details, my AI assistant has responded to this message. Now let's check whether is this the detail which we have filled over our knowledge base or not. For that, let's move on to my docs, and here you can see this is the knowledge base I have created for my business which contains all the details of my business. And here on the first question we have asked for the products. So here you can see our AI agent has responded with all these same products which I have filled over my knowledge base. Now let's explore another question and check whether our AI assistant has responded correctly or not. So here we have asked the question that is, materials used. So now let's check whether is this the material which we are using in our business. So here you can see we have provided the same details which our AI agent is responding with. So our AI assistant is responding correctly. So now I am going to tell you how you can create your own AI assistant from scratch. For that, you just have to use Pabbly Chatflow, which is an amazing automation and integration platform. For that, you just have to type its URL on your new tab, that is www.pabbly.com/chatflow. And once you will enter the URL, you will get the landing page of Pabbly. And here you can see we are getting two options, that is sign in and sign up free. If you are a new user, you can just click on sign up free, but if you are an existing user, you can click on sign in. But as I have already an account on Pabbly, I will just click on sign in, and as you will finish the sign up, you will get this all Pabbly apps page. And here you can see these are the products provided by Pabbly. And now as we are going to create an AI assistant, we will use Pabbly Chatflow. Now for accessing the Pabbly Chatflow, you can see we are getting the option for access now. So just click on access now and you will get the dashboard page of Pabbly. So here you can see this is the dashboard page of Pabbly, and these are the WhatsApp number I have connected to my account. So you can also add your WhatsApp number by just clicking on add WhatsApp number over here, and here you can see we are getting two options, that is WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. If you want to integrate your WhatsApp number, you can just click on WhatsApp Connect, but if you want to connect with token number, you can just click on Manual Token Connect. Now moving on to the sidebar, here you can see these are the features provided by Pabbly. You can access any of these features based on your needs, and these features are inbox, contact, team queues, templates, broadcast, flows, AI assistant which we are going to create, activity log, settings and get help. So if you want to learn more about these features, you can find the video link in the description given below. Now as we are going to create an AI assistant, we will just click on AI assistant over here. Now as you will click on AI assistant, you will get this AI assistant page, and here you can see these are the AI assistants I have created, and here you can see the total number of AI assistant, active number of AI assistants and the inactive number of AI assistants. Now I am going to tell you how you can create your own AI assistant from scratch. For that you just have to click on this add AI assistant button, and once you will click on add AI assistant, it will ask you to enter the assistant name. So now let's provide a name to our assistant here. Here I am providing it the name Artisan Nest, that is the name of my brand. Now I am going to simply click over this add AI assistant button, and here you can see my AI assistant somewhat look like this. And here in this AI instruction, it is asking me to select the instruction type. So here you can see these are the instruction type I am getting. You can select the custom prompt over here, and you will get your own custom prompt here, but I am going to select AI agent over here as I am going to create an AI assistant for my handicraft and decorative business. And you can also select another agent such as customer support agent, sales agent, language tutor, coding experts, etc. Now here you can see as we have selected the instruction type, we have got these instructions. So if you want to add your own instructions for your AI assistant, you can also do this by entering the instructions over here. Now further in the AI configuration, it is asking me to select the temperature. So temperature basically shows the creativity of the AI's answer. Here 0 means focused and 1 means creative. Now if you move towards 0, your AI's answer will be more focused. Now if you move towards 1, your AI's answer will be more creative. Now here it is asking me to select the AI to use. So here I am going to select the Open AI over here. Now further it is asking me to select the model. So I am going to select the model as GPT-4o mini. Now further here it is asking me to paste the API token. Now for getting the API token, here you can see it is written as kindly visit your OpenAI API keys page to get the API key that you need to enter here. Now for getting the API token, we just have to visit this OpenAI API keys page, and as you will click on OpenAI API's key page, you will get this page, and here you can see we are getting the option for create new secret key. So just click over here and you will get this option where you can enter the name and the project details and create your own secret key. But here I have already an API token. Now I am going to just simply click over this connect button, and as you will click on connect button, you will get this pop-up that is OpenAI key save successfully. Now here you can see we are getting options for AI assistant settings. So if you want to manage some of the settings of your AI, you can manage it here. Means if you want to provide the header or the footer message, you can just enable it and provide your header or the footer message. Now you can also provide stop keywords for your AI assistant by enabling this. And now further we are getting the option for retry attempt. So retry attempt is basically the number of fallback retry attempts if the AI assistant fails to respond, and the range of this retry attempt is from 1 to 10, but I am going to just disable this. And further here we are getting the option for fallback message. So this is the message which will be displayed when the AI assistant API is not responding correctly. So you can provide any of the fallback message, but I am going to keep it as the same. Now let's move on further to the knowledge source over here. Now here in this knowledge source, it is asking me to upload the file. So here we have to upload the knowledge source, which is basically a document which basically contains the details of our business. So I am going to upload this file over here, but you have to remember one point, that file only will be accepted that is in the .txt format. So for getting the file of the .txt format, you just have to go to your document, and here on the file you can see we are getting the option for download, and here on this download section you can see we are getting the option for downloading the file into plain txt, that is .txt format. So here we just have to choose the file and drop it here. So here you can see I am having this file that is about Artisan Nest. So I am going to just select this file and paste it over here in my knowledge source. And as I have uploaded the file, I am getting a pop-up that is file uploaded and processed successfully. Now as I have uploaded the file, I have already got this name and the vector ID for the file. Now let's move on further and configure the assistant interface. And as you will click on assistant interface, it will ask you to enter the header display or the heading name. So here you can provide the heading name, but here I am going to provide my brand name as my heading name. Here you can see as I have provided the header display heading name, my heading name is updated over this preview of this chatbot. Now further, it is asking me to enter enter the header, display or the subheading name. So here we are getting a subheading name, that is we are online and happy to assist you. And here on the preview of this chatbot, you can see we are getting the subheading name same as here. Now here it is asking me to enter the initial message. So here you can see we are getting an initial message, that is hi there, how can I help you today? And here you can also add your one more initial message. Say I am entering a message, that is hello over here. Here you can see I am going to create my another initial message, that is hello. And here on this preview you can see we have got this initial message, but I am going to keep only one initial message over here, so just remove this hello message. Now further we are getting the option for display the powered by Pabbly label. So if you want to display this powered by Pabbly label, you can just enable it, but if you don't want to display it, you can just disable it over here. And here on the preview you can see the powered by Pabbly label is disappeared, but I am going to keep it as enable over here. Now further we are getting the option for footer text. So if you want to provide a footer text, you can enter over here, and here we are already getting a footer text, that is privacy policy. So in the preview you can see we are getting the privacy policy. Now you can also add footer link to your chatbot. Now further here it is asking me to enter the user's first message. So this is the message which will be sent to WhatsApp as an initial message from user. Here we are getting the user's first message as I need help, but I am going to convert it as to hey I need help. And here you can see our user's first message, that is hey I need help, is ready. Now let's move on further and provide styling to our AI assistant. For that you just have to click on this styling for customize the visual appearance of the chatbot. Now here in the styling you can see it is asking me to select the theme mode. So if you want to keep the theme mode of your chatbot to as light, you can select light over here. You can also choose the dark, and on the preview here you can see the theme mode of our chatbot is changed to dark. Now further we are getting the option for assistant shape. So if you want to provide the shape to your assistant, you can provide it over here by selecting the assistant shape. Now further we are getting many options for providing the styling or the coloring to our chatbots. So you can provide coloring to these properties of your chatbot. Now further we are getting the option for header profile picture, assistant profile picture and background picture. So if you want to provide the header profile picture, assistant profile picture or the background picture, you can provide it over here. And here I am going to select the theme mode of my chatbot as light, and here you can see our AI assistant is ready. Now we just have to activate this AI assistant. For that you just have to enable this AI assistant to make it active. Now further we just have to click on this save AI assistant button to save our AI assistant, and here we are getting the pop that is AI assistant saved successfully. Now if you want to add this AI assistant to your business, you can simply click on this embed button and you will get the script code. By using this script code you can use AI assistant to your business. So here our AI assistant is ready. Now let's move on to our WhatsApp and check whether our AI assistant is working properly or not, and is it providing the details on the basis of the knowledge base I have provided to it. For that let's move on to my WhatsApp. So I am going to enter this message, that is hey I need help, as this is our user's first message which we have provided to our AI assistant. So here you can see as I have provided the message, that is hey I need help, my AI assistant is responding to me with absolutely what you need help with. I am here to assist you. Now let's enter another question and check whether it's responding on the basis of the knowledge base I have provided to it or not. So here I am going to enter this another question that is asking for the product details. Here as I have entered this another question that is asking for the product they offer, I am getting a reply from my AI assistant. And now let's check whether is this the data which we have provided to our knowledge base or not. So for that let's move on to my knowledge base. So here you can see in my knowledge base these are the products I have mentioned for my business, and these are the same products my AI assistant is answering me. So here our AI assistant is responding properly. So you can also create an AI assistant like this for your handicraft and decorative business by just using Pabbly Chatflow. So stay tuned to our YouTube channel for learning more about Pabbly and creating more AI assistants like this. So if you have any doubt, you can post it over the comment section. So thank you for watching this video. So you can create many more chatbots like this by using Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you have any doubt, you can mail us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any queries, you can write it on forums.pabbly.com. But if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit the URL given over here. So start using Pabbly Chatflow for free now.